What's up, everyone? We just filled Optic Choice number 5, 10 box. And we got to do the random for the remaining teams. We're going to random off the names, random off the teams, and then we're going to match you up. Same dice roll for both. No snake, we do threes. 7. We'll do the teams first. So got to see where you need to land. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You want to land in the 2 hole. The 2 hole. Now we go 7 times with the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Air. Here you go, air. Air gets. Alright, so air gets the Wizards, Pacers, and the Mavs. Easy, get the Magic. Chase, Grizz Kids. Reeves, Hornets and Ticks. William, you get the Cavs. And then the Bucks go to D. Will for 1. 7, 7. Good luck, Eric. All right, guess the first hit for 8. The main bounty is any 1-of-1 card of Luka. If we hit a 1-of-1 of Luka, he had 10 boxes. And good luck. Thanks for filling. We got all the packs. Ship out everything besides bet base. No, LeBron is Lakers. He might have some cards on the Cavs, but he's mainly Lakers. Yeah, you have Colin Sexton. He's one of the best rookies. Good luck. It's a quick break. Fox. Let me see something actually. Fox Refractor, Vanderbilt, Musa, Redemption. Justin Jackson. What team's Justin Jackson? I forgot. Deadman Red, Drummond Red. Is he the Magic? Simmons Silver. Nice. DeAndre Ayton. And he is a Magic. That's him. Justin Jackson. And then we have Edmund Summer for the Pacers. red of Anthony Davis, and a red of Troy Brown. Silver of Hutchison. Nice. There's Lonnie. There's a Simons. And another redemption. Nice. Lonnie for the Spurs. And a nice red of Grayson Allen and Dennis Smith Jr. Levine refractor. Diallo. Metu. And Nate Archibald for the Ticks. Red auto. Hill and Buddy. Ariza, Okobo, Trent, and it's a Blazers break. Anthony Simons, red auto. Shamit red, Lonzo red. Hayward, Bamba, Bridges, and then we have Devontae Graham for the Hornets, red auto. Mirotic and Gasol. Gortat, Trier, Holiday, and then for the Pelicans, Mirotic, Chris Paul, and a Kogi red. 3 left. Diop Hollow, another Lonnie, Bridges, and for the Magic, Jarrell Martin, red auto. All right, we got another redemption. Barden, Williams, Okogie, Horford, and a Musa. Nice. DeAndre Ayton, Signature's Choice for the Suns. Randolph, DiVincenzo, Jackson, and another Devontae Graham for the Hornets. Wall, 1/1 George Hill for the Cavs. Not the 1/1 you're looking for. 1/1 George Hill counts as a hit. Figure out hit lists. All right, hit list for the next one. 6. Red Andy gets both teams. Thank you.